still using an old version of Google Chrome? Here is it how to update in second. Step number 1, double click on the Google Chrome browser. So in this slide, in the address bar, type this command Chrome, put the colon /, then type here settings, again put the /, then type here help, then simply press the enter key. And boom, so in this slide, as you can see, now here is the notification, the Chrome is up to date. Make sure your Chrome should be up to date, and Chrome will automatically check for the update and install the latest version. And keeping Chrome updated helps improve security, fix bugs, and protect your browsing. But wait, before I sign out, if this tutorial helps you, do not forget to like, comment, share, and follow my channel. Thanks for watching.